For operation, begin by visually inspecting the corners of the part for gaps. If there's a gap in the corner of the part similar to this image, the part won't generate a proper weld. Adjust by gently tapping the edges with a hammer or a rubber mallet. Visually inspect the corners again. The corners should be closed with no gap, as seen in the image. Never tap a corner closed on the copper backing blocks. This can cause a very expensive repair to the machine and will not be covered under the warranty. Mount the corner of the backing block and soft clamp the edges. Inspect the corner for parallel touching edges with no gaps or holes. Then hard clamp the clamping fingers. Press the pedal and begin the weld. Repeat these steps for other corners.